everyone, welcome to S2S classes. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed till now. So now we will study the chapter A Snake Charmer's Story from class 5th. Okay, so this chapter starts with a basic story with a boy whose name is Aryanath. Okay, he's telling his story. So it goes something like this. I can do something special. Aryanath says this that I can do something special which I am sure none of you can do. Do you know what? I can play the bean. So you all know what a bean is. A bean is that instrument which a snake charmer or sapera, हिंदी में उसको सपेरा बोलते हैं, सपेरा बीन बजाता है. That instrument is known as bean. You must be surprised. Yes, I can make snakes dance by playing the bean. I have learned this art from my family members. Okay, we people are known as Kalbelias. So the people who play bean and make the snakes dance are known as Kalbelias. Okay, so वो लोग जो बीन बजा के सांप को डांस करवाते हैं उन्हें कालबेलिया कहते हैं. So वो बताता है कि my grandfather रोशन नाथ जी was famous amongst our people. Okay, मतलब उसके दादाजी बहुत famous थे उनके community में. He could easily catch many poisonous snakes. He tells me many stories about his past. Okay, so वो अपने दादाजी के words बता रहा है अब हमें. So Dadaji remembers. From the time of my grandfather and great grandfather, मतलब उसके दादा और परदादा के समय से वो हमेशा सपेरे रहे हैं. ओके, दे हैव ऑलवेज बीन सपेरास और स्नेक चार्मर्स. नाउ स्नेक्स हैव बीन अ इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ देयर लाइफ. मतलब स्नेक्स बहुत जरूरी है उन लोगों के लिए. सो वी क्या करते थे वो लोग स्नेक्स को बैम्बू के बास्केट में रख के एक विलेज से दूसरे विलेज जाते रहते थे और बीच में रुकते थे. और जहां भी whenever they stopped, वहां बहुत भीड़ लग जाती थी एंड पीपल यूज्ड टू गैदर अराउंड देम. और फिर वो स्नेक्स को अपने बास्केट से निकालते थे और बीन बजाते थे. तो स्नेक्स डांस करते थे और लोग एंजॉय करते थे. और बस इतना ही नहीं, नॉट ओनली दिस, इवन आफ्टर द स्नेक्स वर kept inside, the people kept waiting because they kept a tin box, and in that tin box there were various types of medicines which were made from different plants which they had collected from the forests. So ये जो सपेरे थे, ये लोग एक गांव से दूसरे गांव जाते रहे तो बीच में जंगलों में से कुछ यूजफुल प्लांट्स मिलते थे. तो उससे मेडिसिन बना के भी वो लोग अपने पास रखते थे. तो लोग वेट करते थे कि हाँ ये लोग, उन लोगों को मेडिसिन भी मिलती थी सपेरों से. सो आई हैड, फिर आर्यनाथ, आई हैड लर्न ऑल दिस फ्रॉम माई ग्रैंडफादर. सो आर्यनाथ ने सब कुछ अपने ग्रैंडफादर से सीखा था. उन्होंने अपने ग्रैंडफादर से सीखा था. सो आई फेल्ट नाइस that I could help people with my medicines, even if any doctor or hospital were far off. अगर कोई डॉक्टर या हॉस्पिटल दूर भी है, फिर भी मैं लोगों की मदद कर सकता हूँ. इससे उसको बहुत खुशी मिलती थी और वापस लोग इसके बदले में उन्हें पैसे या खाना दे देते थे, जिससे उन लोग का लाइफ मैनेज हो जाता था. Now sometimes I was called to a place where someone had been bitten by a snake. From the marks of the bite, I tried to find out which snake had bitten the person. Okay, so कितनी बारी क्या होता था कि कभी किसी को सांप काटता था तो इन सपेरों को बुलाया जाता था और वो बस उसका मार्क देख के कि कैसा मार्क है बाइट का, वो बता सकते थे कि किस टाइप के सांप ने उन्हें काटा है. Okay, so they were able to tell the type of the snake which had bitten them, and then they used to help uh, taking out the poison. Okay, so but हमेशा ऐसा नहीं होता था क्योंकि some snake bites they can cause death on the spot. The person can die on the spot. So every time they were not able to save the person. Okay, and one more thing he told, that most of the snakes are not poisonous. Okay, most of the snakes are not poisonous. So ये बात भी उसने बताई कि हमें सारे सांपों से डरने की जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि सारे सांप पॉइजनस नहीं होते. और कितनी बारी क्या होता था, many a times farmers would come running for help shouting snake snake, and then he would go and catch those snakes to help those farmers, because catching snakes was something he had been doing since his childhood. Okay, so he's very happy, he remembers all those days, and then he becomes nostalgic, and he says, but now everyone is busy in televisions for entertainment and no one watches saperas. Okay, and then आर्यनाथ बोलता है कि जब वो और बड़ा हुआ तो उसके फादर ने उसे सिखाया कि कैसे सांप के पॉइजनस टीथ निकाले जाते हैं. उन पॉइजनस टीथ को फैंग्स बोला जाता है. ओके, द पॉइजनस टीथ ऑफ द स्नेक आर नोन एज फैंग्स. सो he was taught how to remove them and how to close the tube of poison in the snake's mouth. Okay, so ये बहुत सारी चीजें उसको सिखाई जाती थी. अब there are a few questions. So have you ever seen anyone playing a bean? So आप लोग जहाँ रहते हो कभी वहां पे कभी सपेरा आया है, आपने बीन बजाते हुए देखा? So maybe you would have seen someone playing a bean. Okay, and then have you ever seen a snake? There are a few questions which you need to think about and then answer. Okay, so were you scared by it? So there will be many who will be scared by a snake, but there will be many students who won't be scared by a snake, but it is better to maintain a safe distance. Okay, so there's also one question that in chapter 1 you read that snakes do not have ears which you can see. So can the snake hear the bean, or does it just dance when the bean moves? Okay, so what do you think? So the snakes, they don't have ears. Actually, what happens is they just see the bean moving and they also move with the bean. Okay, you should remember this. Now we move to the next story. This is over here what is happening. Someone is addressing Aryanath. कोई आर्यनाथ को बोल रहा है कि आर्यनाथ, your father used to travel with me ever since he was a young child. Okay, so basically it is some friend of Aryanath's father. So he's telling that he learned to play bean without being taught. Without even being taught by someone, just by seeing their elders, they learn to play bean. Okay, and these days it is difficult for them because the government has made a law that no one can catch wild animals. Okay, to protect them, the government has made this law because some people kill wild animals and sell their skins to obtain profit. But the snake charmers or the Kalbelias, they always respected their snakes and they always looked for their betterment, and snake was like a treasure to them. Okay, they passed it on from one generation to other, and even they gifted snakes to their daughters on marriage. Also, one more thing that we should think, they are saying that there is Kalbelia dance, their Kalbelia dance, and in that dance they have certain movements which are similar to that of a snake. So they respect the snakes a lot, but with the laws that the government has made, they are not able to do what they were taught to do since childhood. So he suggests Aryanath that he and his cousins, they should perform a band and a bean party, and then they should just play bean to entertain people because they do not have snakes with themselves anymore. So they are very sad because of this. And also he tells that you have a lot of knowledge about snakes. Share your knowledge about snakes with children. हर किसी को सांपों के बारे में बताओ, that कि उनसे डरना जरूरी नहीं है, एंड टेल देम हाउ टू रिकॉग्नाइज अ पॉइजनस स्नेक, कि कौन सा जहरीला सांप है कौन सा नहीं है, ये सब उन्हें सिखाओ. एंड नेवर लेट योर नॉलेज गो इन वेन, और अपनी मेक अ स्टोरी ऑफ योर ओन, जस्ट एज वी heard the story of Aryanath's grandfather. So his uncle tells him to make a story of your own and then tell that story to your grandchildren. Okay. Also over here, we have this image which shows us the Kalbelia dance. Okay. This is one step from the Kalbelia dance which you can see. So now we'll move ahead, and there are a few questions which you need to think about and write the answers for. So have you ever seen animals being used for entertainment, like there are circuses or on the roads or in any park? You would have seen people using animals for entertainment purpose. Now, can you tell how do people behave with them? You know, there are many people who tease those animals. There are many people who don't respect those animals. So you need to think about all this and then write all these answers. And then at last, you need to imagine that you are one animal. Like nowadays, we all are in quarantine and feel that we are caged in one small place and we all feel irritated. So think of an animal who is caged for life. How would he feel? And then fill in all this. Like if you can say that I am afraid because, so for that you can write, when people are teasing me, I am afraid. So you need to fill all this. There is also one more thing. Here you can see that there are various types of snake which are shown. We have the Afai over here, then the crate, then the Duboia, and then the cobra. Okay, cobra is one snake you all must have heard of. And from these are the four poisonous snakes which are present in our country. Okay, not all the snakes, there are a lot of snakes in our country, but out of all those snakes only four are poisonous, and their name are Afai, Crate, Duboia, and Cobra. Okay, and what happens is these snakes, they have two hollow teeth. Okay, hollow means which are empty from inside, जो अंदर से खाली रहते हैं, और जब वो बाइट करते हैं स्नेक किसी को, तो उस hollow teeth में poison आ जाता है, and that poison, it goes into the person's body, and then the person gets affected or may die. Okay, so there are medicines for this also, and which are available in all government hospitals, and these medicines are also made up of snakes poisons also. So the medicine for a snake bite is made with the help of snake's poison only. So there are a few more questions, like you need to think a bit. So like snake charmers, which other people depend on animals for their livelihood? Now think of a person who runs some dairy. So he is dependent on his cow for the milk which he will sell. So in similar manner, various people are dependent on various animals for their livelihood, which you need to think and write. And also there is a survey. There are many people who keep pets these days. So go to them, ask that these questions which they are listed, like name the animal that they keep, how many animals are there, okay, is there a separate place or the animals live along with them only, and then who looks after these. There are certain questions which are written, and then you need to make a project and then read out, and you can understand various things from this project also. And there's a small activity that you can do where you can use a pair of socks to make a snake. Okay, and this these are the procedures which you need to follow, and following this you can make a snake puppet. Okay, so this was the chapter Snake Charmer's Story. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Okay, thank you everyone.